Okay guys, today we got a 2017 Chevy Malibu. I'm gonna be removing the stereo. I'm gonna put in the Android system later on here. And customer went to another couple shop, said they couldn't do it. I'm not sure if I can do it, but I've done a lot of Android systems, so I should be able to do it. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how to remove the stereo and then install an Android system. So 17 to 19 should be the same, but I'll do some more research for this one. And this one does have a built-in amplifier. The amplifier is in the back right side trunk. So first of all, what you need to do is buy one of the two right here from AutoZone. You know, you don't have to go to eBay and eBay or Amazon to just order one part like this. Just go and pick it up. It's only a couple dollars. I use this tool because I'm used to this. This tool is flat enough so it won't really damage this rubber right here. And the first thing you want to do, you want to come up here and pry this out right here with the flat head. With the tool that I mentioned. I'll show you what it looked like after it's removed. This thing removed a couple times from previous shop already. So it should be a little bit easy for me sometimes. But do be careful. So right there, once I get it out, it's two pieces right there. You can look at it right there. You want to pry right to the left about 1.5 inches, and then 1.5 inches on the other side right there. It's right there. So got that out. Then there's a 7mm. My tool's got a magnet tip right there, so I should be able to get that out easily. But I do need an extension. So the next thing I will have to do is to pry the other plastic out. But I'm gonna move this out first, the 7mm right here. You see how good the magnet tip? Yep, magnet tip works pretty good. I'm gonna pry this out right here, starting from here. Well, actually, I might have to remove this out first right here. So I'm gonna go on the bottom and start from the bottom, and I should be able to grab it easy. Just with my hand. Sometimes using the tool is not always perfect. So you want to start from here. There's a clip right there. That's the main thing. This is breakable. Really fragile. I always say fragile, but yes, remove from this side first so you don't break anything. When you pull it, you don't want to pull it all the way out. You're gonna break the plastic. You want to start at a little bit at a time, no more than 1 inch to pry, because you will break it. I think I might have to go to that side. Now I'm gonna have to come out here and pry this, and then start a little bit of time right there. So I'm gonna basically run from here. There should be, see, I feel the clip right there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's 4 clip right here, and then there's a push button start right there. I'm gonna keep it like that. I don't. Well, actually, I don't have to remove that part right there. It just came right out. Somebody must have took the other screw from the bottom right here. They didn't put the screw back. So there's 2 screws right there. If you look at it like this, you want to remove this out so you can go to the screw. So I'm gonna show you right here how that works. I'm pretty sure that you have to pry this out. So I'm looking. Okay, what you're gonna do right there, you're gonna grab a flathead and pry this out a little bit. So there's a clip right there. There's nothing right here, but there's a clip. All this clip right there will come out. So you pry one side right here and one side right there. One right, one left. And then you're gonna use that tool that I mentioned. The screw in there. So I'm gonna go. You can grab this, you can take this out, but I don't have to. I'm not gonna do that. You can take it like that, and there's a 7mm screw right here, like this. And like I said, you're gonna need one of this magnetic. And just go right here and right there, and then that's how you remove the stereo. You just pull it back like that, and then you start unplugging stuff by pushing right here, push and pull. And there's a red tab right there. You want to pull the red tab out first. I'm gonna explain this part right here. I'm gonna grab the camera, show it to you. Oh, back at it right here. The antenna and the other, whatever that is, push this thing in like this, push it down and pull it out. Same as this one, push it down, pull it out. But this one, you wanna pull this thing out like this, and then you push this button right there, and then pull it out. So pull the red tab out, and then push this gray piece, clips, and pull it straight out. The same as this part right there for the brown plug. And that's how you remove the stereo.